Okay, now that we're starting Legato, my recommendations for the mandatory maintenance speed stuff each day, just by going up in 20s: 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160. Do those speeds each day as a minimum. This way you keep this stuff fresh, and definitely work it up slower whenever need be. So I'm going to do 3 demo speeds. You know the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I screwed that up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Number 2. Hammer-ons the first half, pull-offs the second half. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's 2 mistakes so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Three mistakes. I had a thought when I was doing this. I was going to say, it doesn't matter how you pick this stuff because of how legato intensive it is. So focus more on making the hammer-ons and pull-offs spaced correctly versus what direction you're picking on this one. So here we go again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 3. Let's see if I can actually play this without botching anything. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then the last stuff, right, just filling out the chords. So just remember, you're always going to follow the same approach as the 1, 4, and 5 are always major chords. The 2, 3, and 6 are always minor. 7th one is always diminished. And just make sure that you write out all 7 notes of the key before you start making the notes. Use the D major scale to figure out those notes, and the the B flat major scale to figure these out. Remember follow the formula of whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half to get the notes as well. This is an indication as to what notes will be sharp and what notes will be flat here. Basically, so if the notes, like in the spaces here, it spells face. So that open spot there's an F, that's an A, and a C. So this first sharp there, that's on a C. So I'm kind of giving away the answers here, but it is in the time signature. This is or not a time signature, key signature. That's what this stuff is. So that's on a C note, and then this open space is an E. So after you go to the line here, that's an F sharp. So the sharp is on the F note part, so that's why it's an F sharp. So the C sharp and F sharp will be in this key. And then these flat symbols. So if you say the notes on all the lines here, you have E, G, B, D, F. So yeah, I remember this one. It's a ridiculous one. Every good boy does fine. So E for every, G for good, B for boy, D for does, F for fine. So basically, that's the first flat there is on a B, so you have a B flat, like that's the root note of the key. And then here we have the E space. You guys remember that's the notes in the spaces spells face, F-A-C-E. So this flat sign is on an E, so you know that it's E flat. You got B flat and an E flat in this key. So hopefully that makes some sense. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you again on Thursday.